Huh? Come on, start the class, please. Hey, last class monkeys, I gave some questions. Where is that answer? I'm still live. How possible? In your place, if I will be there, means I will never leave anything. I will eat as much sweets as possible. Good evening, everyone. Should I start the session, please? Okay. Now look here. Last class we did till how many? Property 7. Odd and even property already we have discussed now. So directly, yeah, this fan don't on. So much sound is coming. That is, yes, that sound coming means it's distracting me. Just singing very nicely. See, yesterday I gave two work. Most important questions I have given. That questions came in board examination. Wang. Now look beta. So we have seen all the properties and we try to understand odd and even function. Now look here. Property number 7, property number 8 we are going to understand. Huh? This question solved? School they gave. Can you show me? This is that question. This is chapter 1, na? Today test. This is test you have given in school, correct? I'll analyze this, take this screen, take this photo and give me as a PDF. Huh? The diagonal element of skew symmetric matrix are always 0. Yeah. Now look here. You wrote the exam? You are intelligent only. In your school, they are not taking any test. You, your school and his school is different. Then you are unlucky. They are good. At least they are writing exams. How much exam you will write, that much concepts will get clear. Now look here, beta. We will go for the property number 8. Now just start the property number 8. What is property number 8? First to understand. And based on this property, which type of questions are coming, that is also important. Tanish, are you there in the group? If f of x is continuous function, if f of x is continuous function defined in the closed interval, f of x is continuous function defined in the closed interval minus a to a, defined in the closed interval minus a to a, then how we are proceeding? Minus a to a f of x dx, then we can write it as minus a to a f of x dx, then we can write it as 0 to a, one time it will become f of x, one time it will become f of minus x dx. So this is exactly the property number 8. Okay, note down this property, property number 8. Property number 8, it is coming as f of x plus f of minus x dx. This is property number 8. F of x plus f of minus x dx. Property number 8. Come on, go for it. Note down. Directly we will be writing from 0 to a, one time f of x and then f of minus x dx. F of x and f of minus x dx. This is property number 8. Now, what type of questions are falling for this property? Come on, check this one out. I'm writing the question. First, the simple question. This came in CBSE 2015. Understood? In the year 2015, this question came. So, write the year 2015. In the year, one question has been given. Write the question, please. The question is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Lower limit is minus pi by 2. Upper limit is pi by 2. Okay. Lower limit is pi by 2. Upper limit is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. It is given as 1 by 1 plus e to the power sin x dx. So when lower limit is minus 1, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and this type question is given, you just understand all the different, see, when you see the lower limit and upper limit, they will give you the total information which property to be used. Correct now? See, because in property 1, we used lower limit, upper limit different. Property 2, lower limit, upper limit was different. Property 3, lower limit and upper limit, negative, positive shifting we have learned. Property 4, A to B was there. Lower limit was different, upper limit was different. Property 5, lower limit 0, upper limit is A. Property 6, 7 also lower limit was coming as 0 and upper limit. So 3 properties was having different limit. But here you see down is minus pi by 2 and up is pi by 2. So it is exactly reminding you that lower limit, good evening Sanjana, the lower limit and upper limit is falling into that content. Understood? So lower limit and upper limit is coming as same. So this is the most important thing you must remember. Understood? So now what we are going to do, we know one property. Which property we are knowing? Property number 8. And what is exactly property number 8? Can you check? In property number 8, we learned minus a to a. Just put a bracket and write f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of x plus f of minus x dx. This becomes your property number 8. So when you are using this property means you will be able to solve the question. Now just check how we can use this property and solve the question. Come on, check this one out. It will become 0 to pi by 2. Upper limit only we are writing, not the lower part. 0 to pi by 2. One time, what is your f of x here? Your f of x is this one. 1 by 1 plus e to the power sin x. This is your f of x. So now what we are going to do, one time f of x will become 1 plus e to the power sin x dx. And second time it is f of minus x. So wherever will not add like this, f of x second is e to the power sin of minus x. Wherever x will be there, that will only change. And then dx is there. So once this part you have written, next content what you are going to write, and this is equal to I. Now here 0 to pi by 2. Now 1 by 1 plus e to the power sin x. Now there sin of minus x will become minus sin x. So it will come out as 1 plus 1 by 1 e to the power minus sin x. So that means now exponent is becoming negative. Check this one very nicely. Exponent is coming negative. So once the exponent is coming negative means we need to solve it very thoroughly. Come on, check this one. I is equal to 0 to pi by 2, 1 by 1 plus e to the power sin x plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by e to the power sin x dx. So negative part, how we have converted into positive? By converting with a minus, exponential minus, we did fraction, we put it down, it will become plus. Got it? The minus section will get converted into plus. Now here, I will be equal to 0 to pi by 2, 1 by 1 plus e to the power sin x plus 1 by 1 plus e to the power sin x, and this e to the power sin x will go and multiply up. It will become e to the power sin x dx. So 0 to pi by 2, base is same, it will become 1 plus e to the power sin x, and here 1 plus e to the power sin x dx. Cancel. So here it is coming as, integration is coming x, and that is pi by 2, 0. So answer is coming as pi by 2. Understood? Answer is coming as pi by 2. This is exactly the approach what you can follow to solve the question. I hope everybody understood. Come on. Say done now. Done? Come on. We'll go for the next question, please. So this is based on property number 8. This is... Why? What happened? You understood or not? You wrote everything done? Then why you are laughing? Oh, he asked you some other questions. That is different thing. Okay, fine. Now, better write this question. This question came in CBSE 2015 and another set question. Come on, this question you are going to solve and tell me the answer, because more or less you have to solve also and come out with some conclusions. So let's check this one. Can I? May I? Question, right? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x by, note down, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e to the power x dx, I equal to, and your time starts now. Watching you. Don't do that. Monkey. Solve it. I am always solving. This time you are only going to solve. Good evening, Shivaranjani. Good afternoon, Shivaranjani. You joined so early, beta. Now say my network was not working. This problem was there. That problem was there. Here name is written fully. So only I am taking. Otherwise, you know, I am very good in taking name. Come on, solve the question, please. I will not solve. Mata, when you will solve, you submit, because you are biggest trouble. I feel very confident on your answer. So you show your paper. I am very confident in your answers. So only I want to see your paper. At least one answer I need. Give. If that answer you are giving me is okay. Sir, what happened? One. Wow. Give me. Movie Explorer. It will not take me more time to block you. Huh? Correct only. Super. Nice. Here now, only one thing, right? Cos of minus x is equal to cos x. It will be solved. Now look here. Correct only. That only one part where cos of minus x you need to write cos x. Other than that, everything is absolutely correct. Now look here. I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos of, so we are going to use the property. Which property we are using? Which property we are using? Minus a to a f of x, this, it will become 0 to a f of x plus f of minus x dx. Done. So this property we are going to use. So what we are going to write there? 0 to pi by 2, one time cos x by 1 plus e to the power x dx. Next time it is coming plus, wherever x is there it will become minus 1 plus e to the power minus x dx. Since we know that cos of minus x is cos x, so after taking permission only, Vora classes, what is that? I is equal to 0 to pi by 2. This is coming as cos x by 1 plus e to the power x plus, now cos of minus x will become cos x only. So here it will become cos x by 1 plus e to the power minus x dx. Done? After that, Tanish? That's good only, Tanish. You are back after 2 hours of eating and sleeping. Online teaching platform for what subject? Now look here. I will be equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e to the power x plus cos x. So can we take cos x common? It will become easy. Cos x here 1 by 1 plus e to the power x plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by e to the power x dx. So this is one step you do. After that, you know that you will take LCM, you will shift it and you will add it. Okay. 12th maths. So here this part will become 1 by 1 plus e to the power x. Now it will become e to the power x plus e to the power x dx, 0 to pi by 2 cos x, and this part if you will take LCM, 1 plus e to the power x by 1 plus e to the power x dx. This and this will get cancelled. What left here is only cos x, and integration of cos x will become sin x, and this is exactly which year question? So it will become sin pi by 2 minus sin 0. Answer is coming as 1. So in no time we can solve questions like this and will not be exactly troubling ourselves. So you need to understand that. But beta, one question is there. This question came in CBSE 2023. I will not give you a single clue. You have 8 to 9 properties in your hand. Use that properties and try to solve the question. In mood, in joking. Come on. Good afternoon. Question is minus 2 to 2. I is equal to minus 2 to 2. Note down. I is equal to minus 2 to 2 x square 5 to the power x plus 1 dx. The question goes totally to you. Whichever property, whatever content you want to solve, you want to write down and solve the question. That is x square by 5 to the power x plus 1. Lower limit is minus 2, upper limit is 2. लोग कर रहा है you. Sonu Pratap ji, I am not understanding. So now come on, solve this question, please. Prajapati, Pratap, Prajapati ji. Try this. This question is CBSE 2023. Thank you so much, sir. 2023. CBSE 2023. Come on, solve this question. I waited long. Now I'm going to solve because I don't think you are solving anything. I'm solving. Okay. You are solving? Sham, try. Cheyenne, Tavish. Cheyenne McTavish. Sorry for what, sir? Very good. Vanakkam, sir. You got the answer? Answer, yes, Sen. You told wait, I was waiting. Now come on, say the answer. Good afternoon, sir. In Tamil, how to say good afternoon? Nice. What? Good morning is Kali Vanakkam or 8,000 की मेरे दिमाग से बाहर जा रहा है अभी ये बिजनेस का नहीं है सर नो कम ऑन हाय व्हाट आंसर इज देयर हाय साक्षी गुड आफ्टरनून इन तमिल व्हाट इज दैट रे वाओ गुड आफ्टरनून you don't know madhya vanakkam or something like that hey chichi you don't know nrts huh hey but I'm going to solve now look here property again minus a to a yay auntie now you solve what it will become 0 to a seriously good afternoon in Tamil you don't know madhya vanakkam or madhyane vanakkam something is like that na madhya vanakkam just asking you solution now here f of x will become same now here minus x square will come 5 to the power minus x plus 1 wherever x is there hey monkey that will change so 0 to 2 will come anyone got the answer solution yes I'm solving that only Sakshi so it will become 0 to 2 here x square here it will become 5 to the power x plus 1 plus negative x square will become x square only negative square will become x square out of my brain now here x square. Now look here. 1 by 5 to the power x plus 1 dx is there. So that means what? If we'll be solving it, 5 to the power x will go up. So now 0 to 2, x square you take common. It is coming as 5x plus 1 plus 5 to the power x by 5 to the power x plus 1. Actually, this is looking difficult, but this type of questions are jackpot questions here. Within some time you will be able to solve this question this is done only x square is there so when you are solving x square I am understood first to join English class now here it will become x cube by 3 2, 0. So now it will become 2 to the power 3 by 3. It is coming 8 by 3. Anybody got this answer? Anyone got this answer? Monkey, you show me your note because I'm having overconfidence on you. Come on, come on. Tanesh, where are you, boss? Answers are not coming from you. Here, you vomited in the full paper. What is that? Lambda, Fi, Xi, what is that? Where is integration? Hey, Mata, here 0 to 2 will go, minus 0 to 2, why you are writing? What is that? So here 0 to 2, now you are seeing also and then you are writing wrong. 0 to 2, 0 to 2. See, this is exactly the property. You have to start from 0. Once you are applying the property, you have to start from 0. That section is wrong. Just quickly change and just write in next page. Your page is not there. Give her some page. She is writing on pencil written things. It's going to be mess up things. Okay. Now this is exactly type of question that is coming in examinations. Don't do like that. How you will be able to see? Now next type question. Come on, check this one out. So this type questions I hope you will be able to solve. We have solved very much questions here. Property number. Next property, odd and even property we are going to check. Now write this question. One question we are going to check. Write down. Question is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, modulus of sin x dx. Solve it. I understood. With I am will not be there. Try this question. See, odd and even function content. Now, long back I taught. What was that odd and even function? You solved? Modulus coming means your sensor will not work. Correct, na? Sensor fused. For that odd and even function, what did I said? First, you remember that one. See, minus a to a, f of x dx is there. That will become 2a f of x if function is even. It will become 0 if f of x is odd function. That is exactly the content. But this content is going to work how? We are going to check. Now let's see. How we are going to write it as? First, though, we will be doing experiment. How we are going to solve this question? Leave, take a break for 2 minutes. Not a break, don't run away from here, just understand. Miss, what you are solving right now, just relax for 2 minutes. Just check this one out. F of x is equal to modulus of sin x. Done? Now you write f of minus x. If it is odd function, it will give you minus. If it is even function, it will give you plus. Okay, so that should be a strategy. So here it will become sine of minus x. So sine of minus x will become minus sine x. Since modulus is there, it will become sine x. It is giving you f of x. So since f of minus x is equal to f of x, it is even function. It is not odd function, it is even function. When you are taking f of minus x and it is giving you f of x, it is not an odd function, it will become an even function. And at the case when it will be coming out as an even function, what work we are supposed to do here is I is equal to, come on, check this one out. At that time, what we are going to write, it will become I is equal to 2, 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx. Huh? sin x dx. At that time direct solving is there, you need not to do anything. Even function means 0 to pi by 2, upper limit will come, 2 will be there, and here this part will become sin x will give you minus 2 cos x. Upper limit part is pi by 2, lower limit part is 0. So it will come minus 2 cos of pi by 2 minus cos of 0. So here it is coming as minus 2, 0 and minus 1. Answer is coming as 2. That's it. If you will be doing here and there means answers will not come. You need to be very pakka means focused. You could minus 2. Why? Because integration when you are doing answer will come 2 only. Now how can minus 2 will come? See here, first thing is you need to understand where and all the thing here is sine integration is minus 2. You did differently, then show me. New methods means I am always accepting new methods, but it should be correct. Here itself you did mistake. See here, when you are writing minus pi by 2 to minus sin x for what? You need to write minus pi by 2 to 0, 0 to pi by 2. Here itself story over. Yeah, first line itself story over. They'll not check the other parts. They'll just see the podcast and they'll just cut this story over. Understood or not? Hmm? Easy way. We are not supposed to do more drama in this. Solve in a very simple way. I hope you might have understood this one. Okay, we will go for some questions, some more questions for this. Okay, solve this question. Everyone get ready for the next question. Are you all ready? Mata. Ma'am, integrals is very complicated. If you will use the properties, it will become little easy for you. Integral, seriously, one question in board examination is kept in your hand. If integral 10 properties and some of the questions are there, yeah, 40 questions, now you will be solving means you will be able to understand. Seriously telling you, you can do it. Nothing is impossible. Now look here. Solve this question 0 to 2 pi cos to the power. I gave you this question, cos square 5x. I'll give odd number, not even. Cos to the power 5x dx. Come on, go for this question. This is NCRT question. The first part is, this is NCERT question. So solve NCRT question. Come on, go for it. Solve NCRT question. Any idea what can be answered? Any idea what can be answered? Today itself I am starting differential equation. No mercy. I'm starting differential equation after this. We don't have time. We have to finish the syllabus and we have to start mock test also. I'll not be waiting for anything. That's more important. Anyone who has solved, show me your paper, what you have done, because I want to see what type of adventure you have done in your math paper. Hey, you people are doing research in this question or what? Hello, Saurav. Saurav, no? Huh. Saurav Joshi. Hi, Saurav. You directly say, yaar, what is that in this? Any rocket science is there in this question? You're taking that much time to just send the rocket in space. Into the space also, sometime they will take. Huh? What answer? Minus 2, U, 0, U, 1, U, 10, 0, 0. Excuse me, sir. If you are getting 0 means show me how you are getting 0. That is a question, I think. How I am going to get 0? Pray to God you should not get 0 in board exam. In answer only, you should get 0. Come on. Try this question, please. Last, I am not going to wait now. Anyone? Last, I am saying, last asking. Any property came? Excuse me, monkeys. Now look here. Half of that part, now f of minus x, if we will do means integral part when you are solving. See, look here. First you see f of pi minus x we are going to implement here. It will become cos of pi minus x to the power 5 you put. What answer is coming, say? Coming positive or negative. The moment you are putting pi minus x, half of that integral part, many times I have discussed it, 0 to 2 pi is there. So 2 pi means what? Pi you are going to check. Pi minus x. Function pi minus x when you are going to check. When you are putting here this pi minus x, what it is coming? Cos of 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta is second quadrant. It will become minus cos x to the power 5. It is coming minus 5 this and that is minus f of x. Is it an even function or an odd function? 110% it is going to be an odd function, and for odd function answer is coming as, for odd function your integration is always coming as 0. For odd function what is the integration coming as? 0. First idiot I have seen who is laughing because he got 0. You didn't solve first. MCQ. Hey, idiot. I didn't say it is an MCQ. No, don't do like that. I didn't say that it is MCQ question. Did I say MCQ? No. I told give me the solution, give me the answer. The correct answer coming here is 0. Okay? No. Solve and say, yeah. Don't do like that. So here direct property. Now, see, you can't do like this. Here also the answer is not complete first. This is exactly the assumption you have drawn, and you are telling that since it is an odd function, answer is coming as 0. Don't write like this and come back. Fine. First, now you have to write the targeted point. What you are exactly going to write. So what you are going to write, your question is 0 to 2 pi cos 5x dx is there. Come on. After that, half will be there. After application of property, it will become what? 0 to 2, here pi will be there. Cos 5x dx. And beta cos 5x implementation will come. This will come as 0 and then answer will come as 0. So at least you need to write the proper steps, proper section you need to write. In absence of proper information, it is very, very dangerous. Don't write unwanted things. Based on property only approach. Okay, Bharathan, note on that. Property beta. That we remember now that property minus a to a property, odd function and even function. Property number 10. Wait. One more time I'll teach property number 10. Property number 10 is 0 to 2a. Look here, property number 10. 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to, write down property number 10. It will become 0 to a f of x dx. Understood? Huh? Property number 9, that odd and even function already taught now. Property number 8 was that what you call, just now we have seen, and then odd and even function, that one question I gave now. Oh, that day online I taught. You want to know the property again one more time? Yes, Saurav, answer is absolutely correct. So the property number 9, one time I'm going to teach, but just first write down this property. So this is property number 10. I'm writing property number 10. So I'm just giving you property number 10. F of x is continuous. That day online I have discussed that one. I didn't left that question. It is continuous and it is defined in the interval 0 to 2a. So just remember one thing, lower limit will be 0. Lower limit will be what? 0, and you are proceeding from 0 to 2a. Lower limit will be what? 0, and you are proceeding from where beta? 0 to 2a. Okay. Now, when you are writing the function f of x dx 0 to 2a, then this will give you two answers. Okay, one answer will be supposed to be 0 when if f of 2a minus x, remember f of 2a minus x will give you minus f of x, which we have seen right now only, understood? And then it will give you 2 0 to a, note down 2 0 to a f of x dx 2 0 to a f of x dx when f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x, understood? So odd and even section here also will be applicable, but in one part you are getting what? You are getting 0 to 2a. Note down this property. This property will different. Huh? No, no, for here 0 is coming because minus f of x is there, na? Minus f of x, yes, minus f of x. Odd and even part, I told you, na? So here you see, here it is releasing minus na beta. So only first I did this work. Can you check this part out? First I did this work and after that only I am getting. Because 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi, cos interval 0 to pi we have checked. Did you got that point? 0 to 2 pi we did not check. 0 to pi. And for that, you know, NCRT one property is there. 2 will drop down and here it will become pi. So that property itself we have taken, that content 0 to 2a. You see, here it is coming 0 to this and cos to the power 5 and it is giving us 0. So that some content you need to use your brain and solve. Got it? And now property number, that odd and even function property already we have discussed. But one more time I am going to tell you that property. Odd and even property we have discussed now. Property number 9. Done or not? Say fast. Property number 5, property number 9, all we have done. Shall we go for next question? Ready everyone? 7 property, 8 property, 9, 10. 3 properties we have done. Done now? Odd and even functions we have finished. Write one question please. I think more than this questions doing miss, it is a waste of time. We'll start definite differential equation. Shall we start differential equation? I'll close the video. Again, I will restart with differential equation because we don't have too much time. Vectors also I have to start soon. And then mock test we are going to start now. So time is very less. We have done many questions in definite integrals. Correct? Wait. One very good NCRT question is there, but it will take more time to solve. We have already taken 43 minutes. We need to check. Okay, I'm giving you one question. Solve this question though. Try this question. This is NCRT question. We will, how much possible? Try to solve. 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x. I will not at all tell you which property, whatever. This is your roadmap. Use, solve, and come out. After that, I'll tell you. Like this type questions will be given to you, means what and all will be your conclusive answers. Try. Try, Bharatan. What is the answer? If you wish, I will solve. I will not waste time because I'll solve it in 5 minutes, 3 minutes. Which property and all? Online children. Sorry, I didn't talk to you people. So, what is the strategy? What question do you want to solve this question? Try this question. Try out. Tanesh, Sakshi, Saurav. Hey, what? Don't look at me, miss. If I'm looking means, oh, she's looking, so I'm not going to look at her also. Don't laugh. So I will not at all look at her. If I will look at her means she will ask, you solved or not. So better I will not at all see her. Nice strategy. I will also use this. Okay, can I give one clue? So, give clue. Now look at it. See, that day na, I taught you na, property number 5 and 6. We have seen property number 5 and 6 when we have seen questions related to property number 5 and 6. First, what we are going to do? I is equal to this taken. Now, what is the property is 0 to a f of x dx will become 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So, this property we are going to use. Huh? So, now this we will take it as equation 1. This we are going to take it as equation 1. So after using this property, it will become I 0 to pi log of, here a minus x now, so cos of pi minus x dx is there. Now look here, cos of pi minus x means which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second cos is negative. So I is equal to 0 to pi log of 1 minus cos x dx. Done. Now here equation 1 and equation 2. Add equation 1 and 2. Right? Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. When you will add equation 1 and 2, then what we'll do? 2i is equal to 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x plus log of 1 minus cos x dx is there. Come on. Log of m plus log of n will become log of mn. So log of 1 plus, it will become 1 minus cos square x dx. So 2i is equal to 0 to pi. It will become log of sin square x dx. The square will come forward. It will become 2y is equal to 0 to pi 2 log sin x dx. 2 and 2 went to help. So I is equal to 0 to pi log sin x dx. Come on, till here though. I'm a simple mathematician. Don't curse me, okay? What language you are writing? Now, beta, we will be applying property number 2, 10. So, what was our property number 10 is, whatever pi is there, na, I told you, here when you will be using this, please check this one out, 0 to pi, you need to understand this, 0 to pi, sine of 0 is 0, sine of pi is also 0. So, we can't proceed with this, correct na? Sine is 0, 0, sine of pi is also 0. So, what we will do is, we will write it as, it will become 2, you will multiply, it will become pi by 2 log of sin x dx. Note down. Now it got converted. Property got converted. Now directly we can solve. Come on, go for it. This question is not going to be solved so soon. So now you got log sin x. Now you have to apply again. Now you have to write I is equal to 2 is there, 0 to pi by 2. Take this as equation 3. Now beta you write log of sine pi by 2 minus x dx. Sine pi by 2 minus x will become cos x. Note down. It will become cos x 2 I is equal to 2 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. Now you need to add equation 3 and 4. So adding equation 3 and equation 4. So it will become I is equal to, this 2 will be there, 0 to pi by 2 log sin x plus log cos x dx. Log of m plus log of n, what it will become beta? Done. Solve, 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 solve. This is such a typical question. One slide here and there means the entire pillar will go down. So here, till here you did now. With patience, we are going to solve. Just listen me very carefully. Now look at it. After this now, listen, hey monkey. Have patience. Don't do anything unwanted. It will become 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into cos x. Done. Now what we can do here, we can multiply here 2 and divide here 2. So I is equal to 2, 0 to pi by 2. This is a 5 marks question, boss. 2 sin x cos x by 2 dx. First write down till here. By 2 dx. Write down first till here because this question will be solved with what? Eilert method. It will not be solved by this method, sir. After this, we need to apply eyelet, otherwise not going to be solved. Yes. After bringing till this target, we need to go by eyelet method. So very simply, you just keep your mouth shut and start solving. First 2x, you have to take it as t. Sin t you need to bring because 0 to pi is there now. After this, what we are going to do? We brought till here means now we are going to bring to this section. Now here look here beta, patience is needed here. So 2 will be as it is, 0 to pi by 2. This section will become log sin 2x minus log 2 dx. Done. Sin 2x minus log 2 dx. Now beta I is equal to 2 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx minus 2 log 2 0 to pi by 2 dx. Done? Note down. This is what you need to proceed. Do, solve. Have patience and solve this question. So now beta, we will take only one section and solve. So till here we have jackpot part in our hand. This section only need to be solved. Take it out and solve separately. Then only you'll be getting answer. Come on, go for it, please. Come on, children. You can do it, please. Try this one out. Don't give up this question. If you apply eyelet method, beta, what it will be done? How eyelet property is going to be used here? Log is there. Now with log, sin x is there. If you will be solving, what answer it is going to bring? Check. Log sin x, use eyelet method and solve. It will give you minus pi by 2 log 2. Integral part. See, very simple content from where you started. You started from here now. Log sin x. From here you started now. Check this one out. This part is there now. This is I. Correct now? This is I or what? This is your I. This is equation 3. Now I am going to summarize and give you a final conclusion. Now look here. If I am solving only this section, I will take this as 2x is equal to t, because till here we got now, we did everything and we brought till here. Now only 2x is creating problem. It is just similar to this part, correct? Now we are not going to use any method, because here again and again you will go, again and again problem will come. So what we will do, we will only take this one out and solve. Got it? So when you will write, let sine 2x is equal to t. I'm only solving this question. Hey monkey, this part don't touch. Only till here came na. Now solve this section. So what we are doing? 2x only is equal to t. So differentiation of 2x will become 2 dt by dx. So dx is equal to dt by 2. Done. Now beta, what is the next part? 0 if you will put instead of here. So when x is equal to 0, t is also coming as 0. When x is equal to pi by 2, t is coming as pi. Got it? So now what this part of the equation will become? I is equal to 0 to 2 will be as it is, 0 to pi log sine t dt by 2, minus this part will be as it is, minus 0 to 2. I'm just writing it. Have patience for solving this question. So only I attempted. I told in the beginning itself, this question will take time. Log 2 0 to pi by 2. This is one of the most famous question. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. This 2 and this 2 outside and this inside 2 cancel. It is coming as 0 to pi. Correct? Or it is coming as 0 to pi log sin t dt minus 2 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. And dear, this was your question itself now. This was your question itself. Check what was your question. Your question started with that only na. This section you got na. Check this one out, Bharatan. This is exactly, this is part of the question na. 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi content we got. Now you see here, this is I. This is I. 0 to pi by 2 this, and this is equal to I. So can I write here I? Correct now? We can write it there as I. So when you will be writing there as I, it will be getting added. It will become 2I. Understood? So here this part is coming as I. First I'll shift it that side. This side will become I. See, look here, beta. See, easily you see. This and this got cancelled. This section is there. Using equation 3, this part will become I. So I is equal to, this part is I1, correct? This part will be coming as I, minus 2, 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. Done? And after solving, we know that that part is coming as minus 2 log minus pi by 2 log 2 minus pi by 2 log 2. And then this section only you need to solve. Write down this. Write down this. Write down this minus 2 log 2, and then after solving, because this is again the same section, it will become minus of minus pi by 2 log 2. And if you will be solving, total answer will be coming pi by 2, minus and minus. Check this one out, beta. Overall, sorry, plus minus. So it will come minus 2 pi by 2 log 2. This and this cancel, minus pi log 2. This question coming means, seriously, it will be taking so much of time to solve. That previous question we have solved, now log sin x, That solution directly I have taken. Otherwise, again and again it will be jumping and coming. Did you understood that one? Hmm? So we need to solve this question. We need to practice this question very nicely. This part is coming as I, and this part answer is minus pi by 2 log 2. And then after solving this section, it is coming as minus pi by 2 log 2. So minus pi by 2 log 2 minus pi by 2 log 2 is coming as minus pi log 2. Minus pi log 2. Okay, Surya, you are in which class, beta? I hope you might have understood. So minus pi log 2 is the correct answer. And like this only we need to solve. I'm starting differential equation now. Okay. Directly I'm starting differential equation. Just take a break of 5 minutes. Then we will start differential equation. Okay, Surya. Which region? Tamil Nadu or other state? So we'll be solving this. Note down this one. One more time we need to practice more questions. Tanesh, you are sleeping today now? Andhra Pradesh. Nice. Many of my students were there from that place. Sharan, you remember? Sharan. Charan. Ah, they're from AP only, Andhra Pradesh. Yes. Nice to know. Tanish. Oh, Tanish came. You're not sleeping. Nice, Tanish. This question solved, Tanish. This is a very important question here. Thank you so much, Surya. Now look here, beta. We are going to start again, huh? Just 5 minutes, and we are going to start differential equation. For what you are going? Alan. Oh, okay, okay. Bye bye. So can I drop it here? Okay. Then tomorrow differential equation morning, 6 o'clock. Today evening, hey, today evening also online classes there. There is no holiday because I need to start vectors, differential equation, vectors, LPP, probability. I need to finish the syllabus in 1 month. So night 12 o'clock I will call you. Wait, you write Ellen exam. Okay, beta. Bye everyone. Wait, I'll schedule it.